Welcome to the DBM S&OP channel. My name is Doug Dedman, and I'm the Chief Clarability Officer here at DBM. Today, I'm answering the big question. What does good look like in sales and operations planning, or S&OP? So, whether you're new to S&OP or looking to improve your process, this video will give you a clear picture of what good really means. Let me start off by saying, S&OP is more than a meeting. It's a management process that connects strategy to execution and gives leadership a handle on the business. When done well, S&OP sets the flow rate for your business by product family while aligning your team and driving accountability. It's not just about reporting numbers, it's about making decisions that shape the future of your organization. The best part with a good S&OP process, the more you work on it, the better you're able to manage your business. A good S&OP process will drive improvements in other planning areas, an ongoing continuous improvement loop, if you will. Now, before we dive into what good looks like, I'd like you to ask yourself these 4 questions. Number 1, is your executive S&OP meeting a report out or a decision-making meeting? Number 2, can you review your entire business in 90 minutes or less? Number 3, does everyone leave the meeting aligned and ready to execute? And finally, number 4, is your senior executive actively engaged and driving the process? Now, if you answered no to any of these, there's some room for improvement. So I would encourage you to listen to the rest of the video. So what does good look like? Well, for me, it comes down to 8 critical areas. Number 1, executive engagement and ownership. Your senior leader needs to be running the executive meeting, coming prepared, and expect participation from their key leaders and signing off on the plan. Number 2, having the correct family structure. You've organized your S&OP families, first of all, by constraint. You're also then able to segment the demand aligned to the markets. This type of view ensures that decisions are actionable. Number 3, your monthly process. You've developed a consistent monthly cadence that balances planning and execution. Number 4, the format of your executive presentation. The presentation should be structured, concise, and standardized for clarity. Family information should be presented family by family instead of segmented by functional areas like sales and operations. Number 5, your planning horizon. The S&OP process should cover at least a 12-month rolling horizon. And in some cases, it should cover longer in order to cover the cumulative lead time of your products. Number 6, you have a clear responsibility and accountability. Establish and document responsibility and accountability within the organization for both the different parts of the process and for the different parts of the plan. Your senior executive should be the one that holds plans and processes accountable, and the clear roles should be assigned as part of S&OP. Number 7, the supporting data. Align the data for your S&OP process with the data from your ERP system. This will support accuracy and alignment across the organization and transparency. And finally, number 8, measurements. Start by tracking process health and engagement. Then measure the effectiveness of your plans. Are they getting better? And then finally, the KPIs for your families. This will support you getting results out of S&OP. These 8 areas work together to transform S&OP from a tactical exercise into a strategic engine. When you get these right, S&OP becomes the way your organization can run the business. It's not just an extra task that you do, it's the framework for aligning strategy, resolving constraints, and driving profitable growth. The benefits include faster decision-making, better resource allocation, improved teamwork, and many other measurable benefits, as S&OP will help to drive the business strategy. Now, it can be hard to score yourself on how effective your process is, which is why we developed the Clarity Compass to score you across the core elements of S&OP and point you towards the improvement. You can take the Clarity Compass and see where your process is today by following the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching today's video. Subscribe to our channel for more on implementing S&OP. You can learn more about how DBM can take your process to the next level by visiting our website, www.dbmsys.com. Thank you and take care.